Facing the couldn't send error on your WhatsApp status? Don't worry, it's usually just a network issue or an app settings glitch, and it's easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you how to solve it step by step on your Android phone. Solution 1. Enable low data usage inside WhatsApp. This solution is for those who are using mobile data, so Wi-Fi users can skip this solution. So open your WhatsApp. Tap the 3-line icon in the top right corner. Then tap Settings. Now find and tap on Storage and Data. In here, enable Use Less Data for calls. In many cases, the file you were sending as status turns out to be too heavy in size. So in such situations, enabling this option can fix the problem. Solution 2. Force Stop WhatsApp. Tap and hold on to the Messenger app icon. Now tap the I button or app info. This will take you to your WhatsApp settings. Now tap on Force Stop and confirm the action. This will completely close WhatsApp on your phone even in the background. After that, swipe down from the top of your phone to open the control panel. Then toggle on airplane mode for about 10 seconds. After that, turn it off and try sending the status again. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Corrupt cache can sometimes cause this issue, so if you're clear, your problem should be fixed. To do this, tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Now tap the I button or app info. This will take you to your WhatsApp app settings. Now find the option called Storage and tap on it. After that, tap Clear Cache. Then completely close WhatsApp and restart your phone. After the restart, check if this fixed your issue or not. Usually, this issue gets fixed after this, but in case you're still facing problems, you will need to reinstall WhatsApp. Doing this will log you out and clear your data, so make sure to back up your chats and everything. Now tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Tap on Uninstall. After that, confirm the uninstallation. Then go to Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. Install it from there. After the reinstallation, open WhatsApp with your credentials and see if it's working or not. That should take care of the problem. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips like this. See you in the next video.